Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to add advanced analytics like Hotjar to Squarespace in 2025. So let's begin. Step 1. Go to your Hotjar account and click Add a new site. Step 2. Enter your Squarespace website URL and copy the tracking code provided. Step 3. In your Squarespace dashboard, click Settings, then Advanced, and then Code Injection. Step 4. Paste the Hotjar tracking code into the header section. Step 5. Save your changes and publish your site. Step 6. Head back to Hotjar to verify the tracking installation. Now, Hotjar should start collecting user behavior data on your site. And that's it. If this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.